What's up, kitchen gamblers? Let me show you how to make the crispiest Korean fried chicken right at home. It's crunchy, sweet, a little spicy, and so addictive. Trust me, this will beat any takeout. But before that, let's go grab some ingredients. Start by cutting 500 grams of chicken breast into bite-sized cubes. In a mixing bowl, add half a cup of all-purpose flour. Now season it with 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper and black pepper. Pour in club soda or sparkling water. Slowly whisk until you get a smooth, slightly thick batter, not too runny but not overly thick either. Next, add half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vinegar and grate in 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. Now drop in the chicken cubes and massage them well, making sure each piece is coated. Cover and let this marinate for at least 2 hours or even better overnight in the fridge for maximum flavor. While our chicken rests, let's make the signature Korean glaze. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of gochujang, which is Korean red chili paste. Next, add half a tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and half a tablespoon of vinegar. Now toss in 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic along with 50 ml of water. Mix it all together until you get a smooth glossy sauce. Set it aside. This is what's going to make our chicken burst with flavor. Our chicken has marinated beautifully. Now let's get frying. Start by adding half a cup of all-purpose flour into a bowl for dry coating. Take the marinated chicken and coat each piece thoroughly. This will help give it that extra crispy crunch. Heat oil to 300 Fahrenheit. Fry the chicken pieces in batches for about 4 minutes until they are lightly golden. Once fried, remove them and let them rest for 2 to 3 minutes. Now for that extra crunch, we are going to double fry. Increase the oil temperature to 355 Fahrenheit and fry the chicken again for about 3 minutes or until they are perfectly golden and crispy. Double frying is the secret to that unbeatable texture you find in authentic Korean fried chicken. In a hot wok, pour in the sauce we made earlier and cook it until it becomes smooth and silky. Now, toss the crispy chicken into the wok and coat it completely, letting every bite soak up that spicy, tangy, sweet glaze. Top it off with chopped green onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Give it one last toss and serve immediately while it's still hot and crunchy. Finally, top it off with chopped green onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. And there you have it, Korean fried chicken perfection. Make this once and trust me, you'll be hooked. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious meals. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.